Hello, children. I hope you are doing well. This is your chapter number 4, Usfoorul Jannah. Usfoor is a bird, Jannah is a paradise. So, this poem actually is an imaginary composition by the poet. You will get to know through the translation. One thing you should remember, usually this poem is coming in CBSE papers I have seen over the years. So focus on the translation because they will ask you to write the translation in English. Usfurul Jannah, bird of the paradise. We will start with the translation. Ala ya ta'iral firdaus. This is the whole word, okay? Completing here. O bird of paradise, qalbi laka bustan. My heart is garden for you. فَفِيهِ الزَّهْرُ وَالْمَاءُ. For within it there are flowers and water. وَفِيهِ الْغُصْنُ فَيْنَانِ. And in it the branches are graceful and full. فَغَرِّدْ فِيهِ مَا شِئْتَ. So sing within it as you want. فَإِنَّ الْحُبَّ مِرْنَانِ. Because the hub, the love, is thriving, is you can say always in a bloom. وَفِيهِ مِنْكَ أَنْعَامٌ. Because it carries bounty from you. An'am, the bounties. Minka, from you. Wafihi, in it. Wafihi minka alhan. And within it are the melodies from you. Okay? This is the translation till here. Walil ashjani avtarun. And for every sorrow there are strings that resonate. Wanayatun wa'idan. And melodies and festivals. Ala ya ta'ir al-firdaus, O solitary bird, O bird of the Jannah, bird of the paradise, inna shi'ra wijdan, indeed poetry is emotion and depth, wafi shadvika shi'run nafsi, and in your song lies the poetry of nafs, poetry of the people. Okay? La zurun wa buhtan, no streams of falsehood and slander. Your poetry is very pure, is very clean. There is no falsehood and slander in it. Fala ta'tadda bin nas, so do not rely on people, do not keep any hope from the people. Fama fil khalqi insan, because among the creation there is no true human being, because the poet has seen a lot of miseries among the people, so he is telling the bird to be cautious, to be careful. Wajudli minka bishari, my joy from you is in the poetry. Fa inna fihi ikhwan, because in poetry we are brothers. Ikhwan is a brothers, okay? Ala ya ta'ir al-firdaus, O the bird of the paradise, qalbi minka walhan, my heart for you is longing. My heart for you is always loving towards you. Okay? This poem is from Abdul Rahman Chakri and this has been taken from his poetic collection. Here you can see the exercises. You have to write the ma'ani, the meaning of the following words. Bustan, it came I think 2 times in your poem. It means garden. Fainan, graceful. Alhan, melody. Eidan, festivals. Nayat, flutes or beautiful rhythmic sound. Okay. Here you have to present the jama of these following mufradat. Okay, you have to present the jama. So bustan will become basatin, zahar will become zuhur or azhar, ma will become miyah, ta'ir will become ta'irat, qalb will become qulub. Okay. And لخص النظم باللغة العربية, you have to summarize this poem in Arabic language. Usually this type of question doesn't come in CBSE paper, but if it is coming, you write a short summary in Arabic language. Okay, usually it comes to write in English language. So let's see this year what they will give you. and you have to change, you have to transform the following verbs into صرف الأفعال التالية مع ذكر المعنى. You have to mention their meanings as well. So غرد will become يغرد in فعل مضارع. It is the meaning is chirping. جاد will become يجد and or يجاد يجاد it means serious. اقتدى will become يقتدي, follow somebody's example, following somebody's footsteps. Okay, so here the chapter got over, and inshallah very soon I will be giving you chapter number 5 in the next video.